so gracefully, almost like they're flying.
I wish I could also dance with them.
I'm glad you kids are having fun. Let's have another adventure together.
We can't wait. What are we going to do, Peter?
How about visiting a place beyond Neverland?
A place beyond Neverland. But how is it possible?
In Neverland, anything is possible with a little imagination and belief. Get ready for an out of Neverland.
So gracefully, almost like they're flying.
I wish I could also dance with them.
I'm glad you kids are having fun. Let's have another. Yes, it shows us how important it is to make wise choices in the present to shape our future.
Thank you for taking us on this incredible journey, Peter. It's the best day ever.
As you travel to the wonders of Neverland, remember to cherish every moment, for in this timeless place, the memories we...
By the music and emotions they evoke.
I really like fast, upbeat songs with a good dance rhythm.
Yeah, I'm with you on that.
Well, hold on to me and close your eyes for a moment. I have just the right music and dance for you.
Let's see what you've got.